Okay, so here is my Singer, I believe is a Rocketeer. It's model 500A according to this. And this is what we'll be working on today. It's getting a full spa treatment and adjust. And let's see how it goes. And no, your sewing machine is not clean. None of them are. This is what came off the bottom case. Little spider web. The oil is really old and thickened, but things have been worse. This is not the grossest sewing machine interior that I've seen. Sir, you had a question?
Yes. How often should my sewing machine be serviced?
How often do you sew, and how important is your investment in your sewing equipment to you? So Longarming by Jaclyn recommends for a lightly used sewing machine service once per year. So if you don't use your sewing machine very much and the investment is not that important to you, you will bring that machine in for service one time a year. And that is based on the lifespan of the oils. They only last for 1 year. They become dried out, the viscosity changes, and they start to like crust up. So where they're supposed to help the parts roll and slide, they're going to become like a packed in pasty glue the older they get. And the best modern oils last 1 year. If you depend on your sewing machine and you care about your investment and you sew a lot, then the recommendation is once every 6 months to get your machine serviced. And that's just keeping it clean, keeping the lubrication in order. You have to remove the old lubrication and add new. And so when you have a problem, or every 6 months, whichever comes first. No, my sewing machine's not dirty. Oh yes, Mama, the goop of it all. Ooh, smoothness.